Well, this is a car that I've been looking forward to driving for a very long time. Welcome to the BMW X5 M Competition. So, I've just picked this car up from the guys at Rybrook Wolverhampton. And well, the video that I'm going to shoot now is all about the on-road driving capabilities of this, the X5 part of this car, if you will. And then, the following week after this video goes live, we've got, for the first time ever, an airfield. So we're going to get the on-track abilities of this car, the M Competition side of it. But anyway, let's crack on with this one. What are my first impressions of this car? Well, firstly, carbon black. It's not my choice, if I'm honest. I think I'd probably go for the Marina Bay metallic, the bright blue, which is stunning. And actually, a couple of months ago, way back in February, which feels like a lifetime ago, I actually shot this car, a very first look of this car before it was even launched, and it was in Marina Bay, and it looked stunning. But still, don't take anything away from the look of this car, because it's an absolute monster, as you can see from the external shots. But how's it drive? Well, I was expecting to jump into this car and it be rock hard. It be insanely uncomfortable across bumps. And you know, it just isn't. Not even slightly. To me, I'm not a professional journalist and never will be. To me, it doesn't really feel any different to the normal X5. And that has to be a big, big compliment, because this is an M car. This is an M competition. So really, this thing should be savage. It should be an animal, and well, it kind of is, but you'll find that out next week. I think the interior of this car is spot on. It is absolutely spot on. In this one, we've got this bright white Silverstone leather with the black accent down the middle, and it's gorgeous. It really is gorgeous. It's the really soft, supple leather too. Now, again, my personal preference, I probably wouldn't go for this colour because it's a bit risky for me and I'm very boring, so I'd probably just have the black interior. But in terms of everything else, it's just superb in here. It really is. The feel and the quality of everything in this car, all the materials are just such an exceptional quality. I love the Alcantara headlining. I love the red M buttons. I love the red start stop button. I love the way that this car is designed. The M specific display in front of me as well is so crystal clear. I mean, I could blab on for ages about this car. I mean, we've got this really incredible trim here. I mean, I, again, personally would probably go for the carbon fiber trim, but still, this is really, really nice. Yeah. It's just a stunning place to be. Stunning place to spend any amount of time. And on the road, it feels serene. And I'm raising my voice a little bit just because I'm very excited, because I've been waiting for this car for so long. But actually, I don't need to, because I can whisper to you. This is an M car that is an X5. It's incredible. It really is incredible. And something that's really funny that I spotted down here. We've got hill descent. Yep. We've got a hill descent mode in an X5M. I mean, who's going to take an X5M off-roading? But hey, it's there. It's there. So you could if you wanted to. But anyway, my opinion of this car is that it's incredibly comfortable on the road. The suspension is actually really supple. I've got everything set in just comfort mode because, well, we don't need to go into anything more aggressive on here. And it's incredibly comfortable. I've got massage seats, I've got heated and ventilated seats, I've got this gorgeous big panoramic sunroof. With this one's got Sky Lounge as well, so they're little flecks that emulate the interior lighting, and at night it's like stars. It's incredible. Oh, you know what? I think I was really skeptical about what this car was going to be like, because I mean, how it's a big high-riding 4x4 with a 4.4 litre V8 in it. I mean, it's not necessary, is it? But it's brilliant. Like, no one needs one of these, but you want one. And it feels special. You feel like you are in an M product because of these wing mirrors, the seats, the red M buttons on the steering wheel. But yeah, I am mighty impressed with this thing on the road. But anyway, enough of me babbling on about this car. Today I thought that I'd get a second opinion on this thing. And she's called Isla. She's my cousin and she's 12. And she's always saying to me, whenever I get anything fast, can you take me out in it? And well, because she's not at school at the minute, because of obviously coronavirus and things, I thought it's the perfect opportunity to get a second opinion on this car and touch on the performance, because I could put my foot down in this car on the road. And yes, it is mighty, mighty fast, but I think we'll get a much better understanding of how fast this is when you see her reaction to this. I think she's going to be blown away by it. So far, the fastest thing she's ever been in is an M140i, and that's, as we all know, a very fast car. But this just takes that another notch. So, let's now cut and see what she thinks of it. We need to go into fast, confirm, manual mode. Right, so what's the fastest thing you've been in so far? It's probably my old M140, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. I don't think you're ready for this then.
Oh god. Oh my, wow.
Loud as well. Yeah, it's not bad. What do you think of that then?
That is like, wow, really fast and cool.
It's such a big car as well.
Yeah.
Like, it just...
Oh my god.
Well, that's what Isla thinks of it. That was her reaction. And well, what do I think of this? Final thoughts on this on the road. Honestly, I expected this to be harsh. I expected it to be not undrivable, but really difficult, quite jerky, quite bouncy, not that comfortable. But it's exceeded expectations. On the road, it's just, you wouldn't really know when you're pootling around that you're in an M car, really, apart from obviously the seats and the way that people look at it on the road. But yeah, I am mightily impressed with it on the road. Its on-road capabilities are really, really impressive. So there we go, that's my impressions of the X5 M on the road. It's just really good, much softer than you'd expect. Thank you guys ever so much for watching. As I've already mentioned, this video is about the on-road capabilities of this car. And next week, the video that follows this one is all about when you can get the hammer down. So do please subscribe to the channel and make sure you've got your notifications bell ticked to make sure you don't miss that one, because it's gonna be a good one. I will see you next time.